On 12 August 2025, a 40-foot container carrying medical equipment worth about 2.2 billion kwacha arrived at Mangochi District Hospital. This is container number 9 of Malawi's historic 100 Container Health Systems Strengthening Initiative, a nationwide effort to transform healthcare access. Shipped from the United States with support from Project Cure and Islamic Relief USA, the consignment is part of a partnership led by the Patriots and partners in Malawi and in the diaspora, working hand in hand with government and community leaders. In Mangochi, the equipment is officially handed over to the people through Senior Chief Mapira, the guest of honor, representing the community's custodians of health and well-being.
Katundu ameneyu atithandiza kwambiri komanso abwera mwina nthawi yake yoyenerera komanso choyambilira nchonena kuti mkuziwa kuti boma la Mangochi lalikulu komanso mapartnership amene ali maiko akunja kwa America tikuwafunira zabwino zonse chifukwa chonena kuti choyambilira alikonda dziko lawo komanso ife anthu akunoko ku Mangochi komanso ndi madistrict ena amene apita katundu ameneyi tikuyenera kunena kuti tikhale kuti tamulandira katundu ameneyu akuyenera kuti agwire ntchito moyenerera wafika mu nthawi yake. Nthawi zambiri mwina anthu ena akabwera mwina kumakhala kuti mwina kuti mankhwala kulibe bwera ni mawa ndiye kubwera kwa katundu ameneyu ndikukhulupirira kuti atithandiza kwambiri apereka ndithu kuonjezera mankhwala ena amene ali kuno komanso abweresanso zipangizo zina zachipatala zimene madotolo athu azikhala kugwira ntchito mosavutikira kwambiri komanso zitipasenso ifeyo Mangochi kapena Malawi kunena kuti tafunire zabwino Malawi amene ali kunjako kuwafunira zabwino kunena kuti mtima wabwino umene aonese wokonda dziko lawo. Ifeso amene tili kumuzi kuno tiyeni tigwirane manja kuti pangaso ngati mene apangira azinzathu.
Speaking on behalf of the Patriots at the national level, Mrs. Lenia Bonongwe highlights the spirit of volunteerism and unity that drives this ambitious national healthcare initiative.
Thank you so much. This is the 9th container that we have delivered today, and we are trusting God, and we know we are going to deliver 100 containers. The first containers came in batch 1, now batch 2 is ready. And as we speak today, yesterday we were at Malamulo Mission Hospital to also prepare the ground for the container which is coming this week. So we believe this is happening. This has taken a lot of time, a lot of work has been done in the past through our partners in the US. And because we have started seeing the work, this is container number 9. We believe what is the problem with getting to container number 100? You know, the fire inside, to be patriotic about our country, to help our country, particularly those that are less privileged, those to whom even a piece of bread would make a huge difference. We must share whatever we have. The value of the items in the container is 2.3 billion. So multiplied by 9, that's the value of what we have delivered in terms of the equipment itself. But you know there's a cost to shipping these containers here. $36,000 per container. You can you do the mathematics, it's a lot of money.
At district level, Mr. Enoch Chingamire, chairperson of the Patriots Mangochi chapter, reaffirms the community's readiness to safeguarding and make the best use of the equipment.
This donation is going to significantly improve our service delivery. As I mentioned earlier, that Mangochi, we are on a vision of reducing maternal mortality from to less than 70 by the year 2030. Now, as of now, we are already at less than 70, we're at 69 because of various interventions that we've put in. But the coming in of this equipment, which is a very important part of service delivery, because when we're talking about service delivery, we're talking about you need to have the human resource in place, and you need to have equipment in place for the human resource to use to provide services. So the coming in of this equipment, it's going to plug in a huge gap which we have had in Mangochi, and it's therefore going to upgrade the level of service delivery. So we expect to reduce maternal mortalities and even other deaths in the district even more significantly.
Dr. Henry Chibowa Jr., Director of Health and Social Services in Mangochi, emphasizes the impact this equipment will have, from intensive care beds and patient monitors to diagnostic tools, surgical kits and maternity care equipment, all carefully matched to Mangochi's most pressing needs. District Commissioner Mr. Dev Chikwenembe recognizes the delivery as not only a gift of equipment, but a symbol of accountability, solidarity, and international cooperation in service to Malawi's health sector. As speeches continue, the offloading begins. One by one, life-saving tools are brought out, each item a step towards better health care for mothers, children, and patients across Mangochi. This is more than a donation, it is a movement, a partnership between Malawians in the diaspora, global allies, government institutions, and local communities. Together, they are rebuilding health systems, one container at a time. With Mangochi now part of this growing story, Malawi is closer to its vision. A stronger, more equitable health system for every district in the nation. The journey continues and the impact grows.